The fourth glorious mystery, the Assumption of Our Dear Lady into heaven. It was time. Our Lady had remained on this earth too long. She wanted to see her Son again. 3 days before her dormition, all the apostles were brought to the upper room in Jerusalem.
Our Lady was probably the most composed of the assemblage. She loved these children. They were her Son's community, the ones who would continue his work on earth. They loved him. They were loyal to him. Of course she loved them, but she wanted to go home.
The apostles stayed by her side for a long time and then left the room. The angels and our Lord Jesus came for her, and she was assumed into heaven.
Pope Pius XII officially proclaimed the Assumption of Our Lady into heaven on November the 1st, 1950, the year of Mary, with these words: "We pronounce, declare, and define it to be a divinely revealed dogma that the Immaculate Mother of God, the ever-Virgin Mary, having completed the course of her earthly life, was assumed, body and soul, to heavenly glory."